welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making Nutella and Biscoff cookies. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Nutella or hazelnut chocolate spread and my Biscoff or biscuit spread. Make sure it's smooth and hasn't got crunchy bits in it, and place them onto a plate with some grease-proof paper. I'm now going to place my plate in the freezer. I'm going to leave it in there until the Nutella and Biscoff has frozen solid. This usually takes 30 minutes to an hour. While I'm waiting for my Nutella and Biscoff to freeze, I'm going to beat together butter, and light brown sugar. I'm now going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 medium egg. In my jug I have some plain flour. I'm going to whisk it together with half a teaspoon of bicarb, and a tablespoon of cornflour. I'm now going to add my flour, cornflour and bicarb mixture into my butter mixture. If you would like, you can add in some chocolate chips for your Nutella cookies, or if you've decided just to make the Biscoff ones, you could crumble up some Biscoff biscuits and place them in. Now I'm going to take my cookie dough mixture and roll them into balls. You need to make sure you need enough space between each one so when they spread in the oven they don't touch each other. Using the palm of my hand, I'm going to flatten each ball down. I have taken my Nutella and Biscoff out of the freezer. They should be firm. I'm now going to take my Nutella and place it in the middle of my cookie. I'm then going to take the cookie dough and cover the Nutella. and I'm going to do the same with the Biscoff. I'm now going to bake my cookies in the oven. I have preheated my fan oven to 170 degrees. I'm going to bake them for 11 to 13 minutes or until golden brown. Remember, the more you bake them, the less gooey they will be in the middle. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.